Are you looking for the best deep fry thermometers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best deep fry thermometers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. King Kooker 5-inch Deep Fry Thermometer. As suggested by its name, the King Kooker rules when it comes to measuring oil and food temperatures in some of the deepest cooking pans. In any case, it boasts of a 5-inch long probe that is capable of taking temperatures in deeper pots. Moreover, the thermometer has a clip that easily clasps on the frying pot, for enhanced stability. This makes it very easy to use, especially if you need precise temperature readings for your recipe. For optimum results, you have to insert this deep fry thermometer at least 1.5 to 2 inches in the oil. Anything less than this might deliver inaccurate readings. The best part is that you don't have to struggle when taking your readings. The thermometer has a very large dial that makes it easy for you to record the temperatures. Furthermore, you can make slight adjustments when calibrating the thermometer by simply turning the dial nut using a wrench. Maintaining and cleaning this thermometer has never been easier. Since it comes in a rust-proof, stainless steel housing, you just need to wipe it with a damp piece of cloth to clean it. At number 4. ThermoPro TPO3 Digital Instant Read Thermometer. Are you sick of using old-fashioned analog thermometers that don't seem to work? Then consider going for the ThermoPro TPO3 Digital Instant Read Thermometer. The ThermoPro TPO3 is one of the best deep fry thermometers money can buy. It comes with digital features designed for superior temperature control. Apparently, the thermometer is super fast, and its 3.9-inch probe can deliver temperature readings in just 5 seconds. What is more amazing is that the temperature readouts are extremely accurate thanks to the thermometer's high-precision sensor. As if that is not enough, this thermometer has a wide temperature range, 58 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, with a margin of plus or minus 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it the ideal thermometer for both indoor and outdoor cooking. When it comes to portability, you can always count on this thermometer. It has a foldable probe design that locks into base, making it easier for you to carry it around. It also has a hook and a magnetic back for easy storage. So what makes it so special? The thermometer is programmed to shut off automatically after staying on for more than 10 minutes. This auto shut-off feature protects it from damage and preserves the life of the batteries. With all these features at your disposal, what else are you still looking for? At number 3. KT Thermo Deep Fry Thermometer. If you are shopping for a unit that is fast, accurate and easy to use, then look no further than the KT Thermo Deep Fry Thermometer. This unit is renowned for its instant response and precise results. Besides, it has a temperature range of 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the perfect deep fry thermometer for precision cooking. What's more, you do not have to worry if you are cooking using a deep pot. The thermometer has a long, 12-inch probe, and it comes equipped with a clamp to prevent it from falling into the pot when measuring the temperature. Another interesting highlight of this unit is that it is extremely versatile. Apparently, it uses mechanical induction to measure temperature. This means that you can use it to read internal temperatures for grilled, pan-fried, and barbecue foods. Yes, you read that right. Furthermore, its compact, stainless construction ensures that the thermometer can withstand extreme temperatures associated with different types of cooking. Besides, you can take advantage of the 12-month warranty in case the thermometer does not last as stated. The only concern is that the clamp is a little bit flimsy, and it does not stabilize the thermometer adequately when clipped to the pot. At number 2. Etekcity Lasergrip Digital Laser Infrared Thermometer. Do you know you can measure surface temperature without dipping a thermometer in your frying pot? The Etekcity Lasergrip digital thermometer uses laser and infrared technology to obtain temperature readings from your deep cooking pots without immersing the unit. You simply need to point it at the oil in your frying pot to gather temperature readings. What's more, it has a 12:1 distance-to-spot ratio that allows it to measure distant targets more accurately than other traditional thermometers. It also has a wider temperature range, 58 to 716 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the ideal tool for precision cooking. Then again, it has a digital LCD screen display with backlights for effortless temperature reading. Moreover, you can lock the results for easy and accurate recording. The best part is that this unit is extremely versatile. You can use it for several other tasks besides measuring cooking temperatures. Unbelievably, the thermometer can obtain temperature readings from almost anything as long as you point it at your target. You can even use it to get temperature readings when doing home repairs or performing auto maintenance. How can you beat that? At number 1. MrSheffer Digital Backlight Thermometer. MrSheffer is a household name as far as kitchen matters are concerned. The thermometer has several features that promise to make your cooking fun and more enjoyable. It is therefore not surprising that this digital thermometer is one of our favorites. You'll love working with this thermometer from the onset. Firstly, it delivers instant temperature readouts within 2 to 3 seconds, meaning that you don't have to wait any longer before cooking your delicious, deep-fried cuisines. Moreover, the thermometer has a range of 58 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit with an accuracy of plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit. This makes it one of the most accurate thermometers on the market. If you prefer cooking your food outdoors, then this digital thermometer will prove useful. After all, it has a backlight display and a LED night function that come in handy when cooking in darkly lit places. One of the most interesting parts is that the thermometer's probe has an antibacterial coating that protects your food from bacteria and other disease-causing pathogens. To protect the thermometer from damage and extend the life of the batteries, this unit comes with an auto shutdown feature that switches it off after 10 minutes when not in use. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.